When we Japanese walk around the city, we see people wearing t-shirts with Japanese written on them that make us laugh. Such t-shirts with interesting Japanese written on them are popular with foreign tourists. It's unclear if they know or do not know the meaning of the written words. An increasing number of tourists are buying t-shirts with funny Japanese printed on them as souvenirs for their trip to Japan. I'm wondering, where do you wear it? Therefore, this time, I will explain the meaning of Japanese written on the funny Japanese t-shirt that foreign tourists buy.
Can we stay right here? Can we pause? 'Cause dear, this is our only time to be who we are tonight. Be who we are. Be who we are tonight. Be who we are tonight. We could go on for days on the beach without leaves, and we could stay right here. We could love right here on our own. My vacation once a year, and we could do this every day. Why can't we just forget 9 to 5 and just do what we like? Turn our jobs into a vacation. Could forget what the bosses say, and we could go on an adventure of our own. Yeah. Can we rewind? Can we fast forward time? Can we stay right here? Can we pause? 'Cause dear, this is our